it is. Look, I'm tired. It's 6:53. I think it's the 12th. I just had sex. Oh my god. This is the sex dream. I haven't had a boyfriend in like almost 9 years, and for years I was having for years I was having dreams about MBS. And I actually tried to get a hold of him, but you know, he's a fucking shallow rich dude. He's like wants to hang out with Sus Squad and shit, you know. Stupid. Getting paid with hookers. Anyways, I don't even want to think about him because he's like common fucking celebrity trash. This guy in my dreams last night. Yeah, it started out, it was an army dream, and we're all like just hanging out, joking, shooting the shit, and then I looked over and this guy was crying like a lot, like his face was just like full of tears, and I was like, oh my god, are you okay? And I went over to talk to him, but there were like all these people, and I was like, we could go like talk over there, like, and he was just like kind of frozen sitting there, and I was like, come on, let's go talk. And so I brought him over to go and talk to him, and he was like this fine ass like Samoan guy. Oof. I was just looking at it like, I'm like, oh my gosh. And he told me like his mom had recently died, and he was just like not doing alright. So we were like talking a little bit, and then he kissed me. And I was like, I'm okay with that. Because he was gorgeous. He was just like thick and tall and dark and just, woo. Good God. So yeah, there were like still people around. He kissed me and there were still people around. I was like, let's go somewhere where there aren't so many people. Oh, my stomach's all sticking out. I didn't see that. So yeah, one thing led to another. I don't think I'll go into like all the details because that would feel inappropriate. I'm not one of those people. That was good though. Like, I hope I get to meet that guy again. Maybe I'll meet him in reality. And I want to do that for real. Wishful thinking. That's usually how the dreams are, you know, when I finally meet the guy that I'm like, yes, this is the one. And then I like am totally disappointed with every single other guy that I meet because it's not that guy. Now I'm gonna get all sad. I have no life. It's almost been 9 years. I was like, I broke up with that guy in August of whatever the fuck year that was. So in August it will be 9 years. Because men are so fucking disappointing. It's not that I'm asexual, I'm just disgusted with men. Anyway, I forgot, did I say the time earlier? It's almost 7 a.m., so. Coffee time!